Hello traders, hello investors, how are you doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. Today Tesla is going up more than 3% right now. That's great. We see some very curious signs on it. So let's talk about Tesla. Let's do our multiple time frame analysis on it. And let's talk about targets. Let's talk about price action. So remember my dear friend, if you are already my subscriber, click on the like button to support this channel. If you are new around here, I would consider subscribing because our content is going to be very helpful. I promise you on that. So let's talk about Tesla right now. Tesla, it is in a bull trend, okay? At least the bias is bullish because it is doing higher highs, higher lows in the 1 hour chart. It did hit the 50% Fibonacci retracement, which was totally expected. As I told you guys a few days before we hit the retracements, I told you guys, ideally, we will react around the 38.2% retracement. If we don't, if Tesla ignores this retracement, usually, most of the time, it retests the 50% retracement and only then it will bounce back up. This happens most of the time, so alright, let's see how this is gonna play. And Tesla did hit the 50% retracement. Now it's going up nicely. The bias is slightly bullish. So, alright, we nailed it, this one. Now, Tesla, it seems only during the first hour Tesla did a very good movement. Right now, it has been moving sideways, but this is also expected, and I will explain to you guys why. First, in the 1 hour chart, we found the $850 as a support level. Previously, this point was a resistance. Yesterday's stop was at this price level. So right now, 1, 2, 3, 4 times, we have been retesting this point as a support level. And that's great. Okay, in fact, that's amazing because this support level was not lost at any moment over here. At any moment, Tesla closed it below this support level. So that's fantastic. What's more, we do have the 21 exponential moving average, which is around $839 right now. This point is quite close to the maximum pain today. Today, maximum pain is $840. It's around this green line. So the EMA, along with this green line, is another very important support level, which was not even retested today. We couldn't even drop to this point. So this is why I'm telling you guys, Tesla looks incredibly resilient. It does look strong. So that's great. What if we lose the previous support level, this red line? Then we're gonna retest the $840 along with the EMA. Okay, this is going to be our second and most important support level in the short term. What's more, another thing that has been holding Tesla today is the 21 exponential moving average in the daily chart. In the daily chart, see, let me change the visibility to the daily chart only. Let's look at the 1 hour chart again. See, here is the EMA in the daily chart. This is the EMA in the daily chart. It is holding Tesla. This is a natural resistance for us. Right now is at $861. So naturally, it's going to struggle a little bit in this area. This is why we see 4 candles in a row doing nothing. It does look a sideways movement. That's because Tesla is in a very delicate area. If by any means we break the EMA, we do a new record high. Okay, I'm so sorry, not record high, a new top level. That's great. The bullish bias will continue and we can assume it will continue because it is already bullish. Right now, if we do break the EMA in the daily chart, I think we have decent chances of breaking a pivot point over here. We will seek the $890 area first, but in my humble opinion, I think the momentum will be strong enough for us to break this pivot point, okay? So we have decent chances of flying very, very high. And before we talk about scenarios and targets, if this video has been helping you so far, remember to click on the like button. Again, it is for free. It is as free as our trading newsletter. If you subscribe right now, you have the first one for free. It is the only trading newsletter that you're gonna see public results. You're gonna see all my results over here. They're all public. We can consistently beat the market. Here is my last 52 weeks performance. We have been doing amazingly well. So if you want to trade with me, remember to check my trading newsletter. The link is in the description. Now let's talk about scenarios in Tesla. If we lose this red line, we can expect we are going to retest the maximum paying level, okay, $840, along with the EMA. But what if we lose this dual support level as well? If we do lose it, then the retracements are going to be our next support levels, okay? First, the 38.2, second, the 50%, last, the 61.8%. I do not believe we're going to retest the 61 or even the 50%, but we have some chances of retesting the 38.2% again, okay? If you ask me, I am very skeptical about this scenario, but it is one scenario we must keep in mind. This is our plan B, okay? If it retests this point, any bullish reaction is going to be a buy sign. And I tell you guys this because even if Tesla drops again to the 820s down here, I'm still bullish on it, at least for the short midterm. As you guys know, I have a target at $920, which is this gap over here, a short-term target. I do believe this gap is going to be filled soon, and so far I see no technical reason, no fundamental reason. There is nothing around here that can convince me that Tesla will not fill this gap soon. Okay, so what's more, if we trigger this pivot point, the next target for the midterm, for the next few weeks, is 1115. So everything here is still bullish. I see no bearish structure in Tesla going on. There's nothing telling me it's going to drop, so we are quite safe. Let's just pay attention to these support levels down here and see how Tesla will react. Now that it's trying to engage a bullish momentum in the short term, I will keep you guys updated every single day in Tesla in this channel, so remember to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching this video. Stay safe. Farewell.